how to set up and use the IP monitor. The web UI is the monitor's internal web page that allows you to set up cameras and connect to the network. So the first thing we're going to do is go to a web browser that's connected to the IP monitor, and we're going to input the IP monitor's web address. By default, it is 192.168.1.105, and then to enter the user interface, just add a /UI. For the username and password, please reference the user manual. The default logon is admin. The first page that comes up is the system information and basic information page. This will show you the model number, serial number, as well as the software version or firmware version that's loaded. This will also show you any cameras that may be currently connected to your IP monitor, as well as the date, time, and network setup. All of these functions are remotely controllable. So the first thing we're going to do is set up the camera registration. So we go to the left here and click the camera registration button. As you can see, the IP monitor can connect and log on to 16 different cameras at a time. The monitor has a built-in 16-channel decoder that supports both OnViv as well as some camera native languages. Users who wish to auto-discover cameras, we have the auto-discovery button, is click the protocol. Then we're going to select OnViv. This will allow us to connect to any camera that is supporting the OnViv S protocol. If you know what the username and password is for a range of cameras or a specific camera, you can input that here, or just click OK, and that'll allow you to input the username and password at a later time. Now the IP monitor is searching the network for compatible OnViv S compliant cameras. Here it has found a Bosch, a Panasonic, and an Axis camera. It shows you the IP address. You can click on the web page and that'll take you to the camera's individual web page. So we've decided to add these cameras to the IP monitor so they can be displayed. Check the boxes and click Add. We can click the Apply button, and these cameras will now be saved in the IP monitor's memory after clicking OK. Now the web page is communicating back to the monitor and relaying all this information, and the monitor will start displaying these 3 cameras immediately. For those who want a little more advanced setup, we can click Manual Registration. So in this case, I'm going to select box number 4, which is currently empty. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, click Manual Registration. This will allow me to input the IP address of a camera, the port, the protocol I wish to use, username and password, and then as well as stream and channel number. Some of these functions do change depending upon the protocol selected. So if I click OnViv, it is simply username, password, and media profile.